But the interesting thing is the street that we're crossing, Newfield Street, is the old Agawam Path. It's the original Indian trail south from here. And they would meet at the Nemasket Path, which is the one we're going to follow. So there's two major, it's an intersection of two major Indian trails from the old days. This is what the Nemasket Trail looked like even back in those days. It's been worn down some, but the general feeling is just the same. And that's what they would commute back and forth to where the houses were up on Dalton Sea. And the Nemasket Indians would come down here to Patuxet by that same trail. When Winslow went to see Massasoit with Squanto, this is the way that he would have traveled. It's the main route west.